Hi, I'm Dennis, and I'm IICRC Water Damage Restoration Certified. Thank you so much for purchasing the XPOWER LGR Dehumidifier. Hey, we get it. Sometimes you're super busy and you don't have time to read the instruction manual. That's why we're here for you. We're gonna go over the control panels, the features of the LGR dehumidifier, and then also some frequently asked questions that customers have. So let's get started. All right, so the first thing I want to talk to you about is positioning. Make sure that LGR dehumidifier is upright for at least 1 hour so that the refrigerants inside the machine can stabilize. If for some reason it was tilted during the transportation of the machine, make sure that it's upright for 4 hours before turning on the machine. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is do the drainage hose. All you have to do is just plug it in like that. It just snaps right in. So this is a super powerful water pump, and the water can go up to 5 meters or 16 feet. We talked about the drainage hose. So the next step is just go ahead and plug in the machine. That's it. Let's go over the control panel. The top left is the power button. CT stands for coil temperature. FC gauges the temperature, so it's Fahrenheit or Celsius. The top one right here is going to be the purge or the manual drain button. And because the water pump is so powerful, it only takes 25 seconds for the water to drain. The next is going to be the plus and the minus buttons. You can control the relative humidity of the machine, and it goes from 30% to 90% relative humidity. The raindrop means that the dehumidifier is working and removing the moisture from the air. The bottom left is the relative humidity. The top middle means that it is purging and draining the water. The circle is the fan speed, and that's it. All right, here are some of the frequently asked questions by our customers. Number 1, how do I know this machine is working? Well, if there's a raindrop on the machine, that means that the machine is collecting the water from the air. Number 2, how do I make sure this machine is running at all times? So hit the negative button till it says 30% relative humidity and go 1 notch below that and hit negative 1 more time. Then it'll say CO, which means constant on or constant dehumidification. Another question that we get from customers is, do I need to defrost this machine? No, this machine is super smart and it will automatically defrost itself, so you don't have to turn it off. Another question that we get is, especially on the East Coast, how high does the water go up? Our water pump is super strong, so it can go up to about 16 feet or equivalently 5 meters.